Undimash tutorial point. Today we are going to discuss on basic operations on sets. Of course, we already discussed this topic in the previous videos, but I have given all the types of basic operations on sets, that is union of sets, intersection of sets, and difference of sets. I'm going to give on a single page, guys, so that it will be easy for you for your exam, and also even it will be asking for objective type. Okay, so it will be easy for your reference. Okay, let's see. So right down here, this is a basic operations on sets, and I have mentioned here set builder form, Venn diagram, symbolic form, and read as. Okay, now first type of basic operations on sets is union of sets. Okay, union of sets is the first type under basic operation on sets. Okay guys, అయితే యూనియన్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్ మన సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మేట్లో ఎలా రాస్తాం? ఎక్స్ కోలన్, సో ఎక్స్ కోలన్ ఎక్స్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఏ. సో సెట్స్ కాబట్టి మినిమం 2 సెట్స్ తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ఏ అండ్ బి యూనియన్ కాబట్టి ఏయుబి అని రాస్తాం. ఓకే, దెన్ సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మ్లో ఎలా రాస్తాం? ఎక్స్ కోలన్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ కామన్, ఎక్స్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఏ, యూనియన్ అంటే ఆర్ తీసుకుంటాం సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మ్లో, అండ్ ఎక్స్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు బి. దట్స్ ఇట్. Okay, this is a set builder form notation of union. How can we represent using Venn diagram? Draw a rectangle that indicates universal set. Mu indicates the universal set symbol, and take 2 sets, nothing but 2 circles. Okay, and shade entire region that indicates A union B, and symbolic form is union, guys, and we will read as A union B or A cup B. Okay, next one, intersection of sets. Intersection of sets is a second type of basic operations on sets. Here, how can we represent the basic the intersection of sets using set builder form? Okay, it is intersection denoted by n, like n. Okay, A and B. That is the set builder form x colon x belongs to A, where intersection will read as and here. Union will read as or, whereas intersection will read as and x belongs to B. This is a representation of set builder form. So how can we denote on Venn diagram, guys? Draw a rectangle that indicates the universal set. Okay, here mu denotes the universal set, and draw 2 circles that indicates 2 sets, and the common region, this is a common region, guys, that indicates the intersection area. Okay, this is a representation of intersection of sets using Venn diagram, and the symbolic form is A intersection B, big N, bigs. Okay, now read as A intersection B. Coming to third one, guys, that is a difference of sets. So we will write as A minus B according to set builder form x colon x belongs to A, and we will write and here, and minus B is there, no, right? So we will write as x does not belongs to B. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ బి ఉంది కాబట్టి does not belongs to అని రాస్తాం according to set builder form. X belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. According to the Venn diagram, guys, draw a rectangle that indicates the universal set. Mu is a universal set symbol, and draw 2 sets, whereas shade only A region, guys, because ikkada x belongs to A, B ki B, x B ki belongs అవ్వదు అని అన్నాం ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ సర్కిల్ ఇది B కూడా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి B మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయం. ఈ మిడిల్ రీజియన్ కూడా కామన్ ఫర్ బోత్ కాబట్టి మనం ఈ రీజన్ కన్సిడర్ చేయం, ఓన్లీ ఏ పార్టే మనం షేర్ చేస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ A minus B Venn diagram. Read as, we will read as A minus B. So this is a symbolic form A minus B, and we will read as A minus B. Okay guys, please go through this tabular form once again. It will be it is an important concept for your exam regarding objective type or even one mark questions they may ask. Okay, in the next video we are going to continue some sums on union, intersection and difference, guys. Thank you.